Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the David Hittle Real Estate Show. I am your host, as always. I am David Hittle, a realtor with United Real Estate Louisville. And today we are going to talk about how VA loans can help veterans achieve their dream of home ownership. So, as you know, this past week, Friday was Veterans Day, and we honor those who served our country, those who sacrificed, gave the ultimate sacrifice. We honor them on Friday. And one of the incredible benefits that we give to our men and women in uniform and those who have served is the Veterans Affairs loan, the VA benefits of which home loans are a part. So that is what we'll be talking about today. We'll also be talking about how many Americans are still viewing home ownership as part of the American dream. And then we will dive even more in depth on VA loans and what they are. So again, I am David Hittle, a realtor with United Real Estate Louisville. If you like real estate content, if you want to stay up to date on real estate news, on real estate matters that are happening in your area or around the country, please hit that subscribe button here on YouTube. If you're watching on Facebook, please either add me as a friend on Facebook or visit my business page and become a liker there, a follower there. But I want everyone to stay informed on what is happening in our country, what is happening in our local area. And the only way we can do that is if you are aware and stay aware of what is happening in our country. So let's get started. The amount of Americans who still view home ownership as the American dream is still a majority. They do a poll every year to find out what people's biggest, I guess, American dream, big American dream things are, and home ownership is still in the running. Buying a home, of course, is a powerful decision, and it remains a key part of the American dream. In fact, the 2022 Consumer Insights report from Mind found the majority of people polled still view home ownership as a key life achievement. One possible reason home ownership is viewed so highly is because owning a home is a significant wealth building tool, and it provides meaningful financial stability over renting by locking in your monthly housing payments for the length of your home loan. An article from Forbes explains the report this way: understanding the potential benefits of home ownership helps individuals see the value of owning property instead of renting. Household wealth among homeowners is a whopping 1,469% higher on average compared to renters, excluding home equity, making the allure of home ownership even more enticing. So over time, owning a home not only helps boost your own net worth, but it also sets future generations up for success as you pass that wealth down through the generations. And that may be why the Mind report said that most Americans, 78%, still associate home ownership with the American dream. And nearly 2/3 of Americans, 65%, see home ownership as a means of building intergenerational wealth. Now, of course, there are non-financial benefits to owning a home as well. And of course, while the financial benefits of owning a home are important, becoming a homeowner impacts you on a social and emotional level as well. Mark Fleming, the chief economist for First American, put it this way. He says, buying a home is not just a financial decision, it's also a lifestyle decision. Your home provides feelings of achievement, responsibility, and more. Some of the top 10 benefits homeowners enjoy include providing you with more freedom and control over your living space. You can decorate the home however you want. You can paint the home inside as much as you want. It also gives you a greater sense of pride. And finally, it helps with your community engagement. So, what does it mean for you? If your definition of the American dream involves greater freedom and prosperity, then homeownership could play a major role in helping you achieve that dream. While it may feel challenging to buy a home today as mortgage rates and home prices rise, if the time is right for you, know that there are incredible benefits waiting for you at the end of your journey. And you'll have a place you can grow your wealth, call your own, and feel more comfortable. The National Association of Realtors puts it this way, quote, research has consistently shown that home ownership is also associated with multiple economic and social benefits to individual homeowners. And home ownership has always been an important way to build wealth. So bottom line here is that buying a home is a powerful decision and a key part of the long-term dream of many Americans. So if home ownership is a part of your dream this year, let's connect so that we can start that process with you today. And that process can be stressful. It can be a pain, especially if you do not have the right information, if you do not have the right knowledge, the right headspace, if you make an emotional decision versus a financial decision. But your realtor, your real estate professional, should be there to guide you through the process. And they should be able to keep your head level so that you make a great financial decision versus an emotional decision with lots of zeros on the end. So, like I said earlier at the beginning of the show, this past week was Veterans Day. And again, one of the major benefits that our country gives our veterans and those who have served and those that are active duty is access to the VA home loan benefits. And these VA home loan benefits can help veterans achieve their dream of home ownership. I actually had a client buy a brand new construction home this year using their VA benefits. They got an incredible mortgage rate because they had VA home loan benefits. So if you are an eligible veteran, your VA home loan benefits should be used by you when it's time to purchase a home. But the VA home loan has been around for 78 years and it has changed a lot since then. But in those 78 years, it has provided millions of veterans with the opportunity to purchase homes of their own. If you or a loved one served, it's important to understand this program and its benefits. It's also important to have a realtor or a real estate professional that understands those benefits as well. I myself am a I am a 2 times VA certified realtor through 2 different services, the VA home loan, and then I'm also a VA certified realtor through Loan Depot. So it is important to have a real estate professional or a realtor who knows this program and its benefits as well. And here are just some things you should know about VA loans before you start your home buying process. VA home loans provide a pathway to home ownership for those who have served our country. The U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs describes the program like this, quote, VA helps service members, veterans, and eligible surviving spouses become homeowners. As part of our mission to serve you, we provide a home loan guarantee benefit and other housing-related programs to help you buy, build, repair, retain, or adapt a home for your personal occupancy. The top benefit of the VA home loan program is that qualified borrowers can often purchase a home with a zero down payment, with no down payment. Of course, many other loans with down payments under 20% require private mortgage insurance. VA loans do not require private mortgage insurance, which means veterans can save on their monthly housing costs. VA-backed loans offer competitive terms and mortgage interest rates as well. And a recent article from Veterans United summed it up this way. For the vast majority of military borrowers, VA loans represent the most powerful lending program on the market. These flexible $0 down payment mortgages have helped more than 24 million service members become homeowners since 1944. And John Bell, he's the acting executive director of the Department of Veterans Affairs Loan Guarantee Service, explained it this way, quote, the VA loan provides early ownership for many people that would not have that opportunity to begin with. Since there's no down payment, it allows people to hold their wealth and it gives them the ability to have long-term financial security by being able to own a house and let that equity grow. So the bottom line here is that home ownership is the American dream. It is a major part of the American dream. And our veterans sacrifice so much in service of our nation. And one way that we can honor them and one way that I will honor them is to ensure that they have the best information about the benefits of VA home loans. If you served our country, thank you so much for your service. And again, that VA home loan program is incredible. There are only two home loan programs that allow for a $0 down payment. And one is the VA loan, and one is a USDA loan, which is only good in select rural areas. So the VA home loan, for those who qualify, is one of the best home loans that you can get. And if you have a realtor and you're a veteran and you have a realtor or a lender telling you that they should take an FHA loan or a conventional loan instead of a VA loan, you need to find a new realtor and a new lender today, because your VA home loan benefits are going to be the best long-term solution for you, likely 99.9% of the time. And I have the people who will run those numbers for you and will give you the best opportunity and the best loan possible. So let's talk a little bit more about VA home loan benefits. So VA loans make homes for the brave more achievable. The VA loans can help make homeownership possible for those who have served our country. And here are some helpful tips and information about this type of home loan. So, first off, who is eligible for the VA home loan? Active duty personnel, veterans, members of the reserves and National Guards, eligible spouses, and previous first-time home buyers. VA loan is not just a one and done program. You can use the VA home loan to buy your second home, your third home, your fourth home, your fifth home. There is no limit to the amount of homes you can use your VA benefits for. It's not a one and done program. And your VA home loan benefits can be used for buying a home or a VA approved condo. They can be used to build a home, and they can be used to make home improvements. Some of the benefits of the VA loan is options for a no down payment, $0 down payment, better terms and interest rates, and limited closing costs. The government limits the amount that the veteran can pay in closing cost. So again, home ownership is the American dream. And one way that we can honor and thank our veterans is to ensure that they have the best information about the benefits of VA home loans. And that is exactly what I intend to do. So everyone, I want to thank you all for tuning in today. Again, if you are interested in real estate, if you want to stay up to date on the real estate market, make sure you hit that subscribe button here on YouTube. And if you're here on Facebook, like, share, and comment this video so that I know what type of content I need to make in the future. So today is the 13th. It is World Kindness Day. World Kindness Day. So if you are out and about today on this Sunday, November 13th, be kind to everyone around you. And it used to be kind, rewind, but none of us rewind videotapes anymore. But just be kind to each other. It takes more to smile, or it takes more to frown than it does to smile. So again, thank you all for tuning in. I hope that this video, this live stream was educational. And I hope that if you know anyone who's looking to buy or sell a home, you'll have them connect with me so that they can have the best information possible, and so that they can be treated the right way. Until next week, I thank you all for watching. Have a great day.